Good evening, everyone. First of all, thank you for joining us today. Thanks for our Managing Director, Dr. Adinan Milahi Pandian sir, for organizing this wonderful 4 days continuous webinar program. Our biomedical trainer, Mr. Muhammad Sahil from Adinan Pandian organization, will present a topic on artificial intelligence in healthcare. We hope you enjoy yourself over the next few days. Now we are going to learn something new. Mr. Muhammad Sahil, you have presented your topic.
So good evening all. So good evening participants. So thank you for joining this wonderful webinar series on this continuous the 4 days biomedical webinar on the recent trending topics on biomedical and healthcare field. So hope you are all gaining the things on this webinar sessions. So okay. So I'm just introduction about myself. Myself Mohammed Sahil, biomedical trainer at the Pondian organization. So thank you for our management, Dr. our managing director, Dr. S. Adinimulagi Pondian sir, for conducting this wonderful webinar session for all this biomedical peoples around the students, faculties, and all those things. So thank you for all joining us. So okay. So we starts with uh, the what is the major topic on in healthcare. So that is the artificial intelligence in healthcare. So what is that? So firstly, I just introduction about what is artificial intelligence. So we all well known about what is artificial intelligence. So first I starts with my slide. So yes. So what is AI? So first of all, I just introduction to that AI. So in healthcare field, so apart from that, we are all known about the artificial intelligence is the crucial topic and hot topics on IT industry and IT sectors. But we are not well known about in healthcare sector also it will be grooming, because in the future also it will be taken much more capabilities of the AI technology will be uses in AI. So currently we are more number of things are uses in the AI. So apart from that, what is that AI? So just I will be giving some introduction. That is nothing but artificial intelligence is a simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. So especially we know about it is an ability of a machine that think and learn like ourselves, like a human being. So once the machine learning is nothing but once the human being will be done by the task, that same task will be done by the machine itself. So that is the major things about the artificial intelligence. So AI is simply a component of the technology using algorithms such as machine learning. Apart from that machine learning, we are also using in the AI that is called deep learning also. So we are well known about it is able to do things such as recognize patterns, make decisions, and judge like humans. So the AI technology will be recognize some pattern based recognition based systems, and then make some decision making systems and judge like human beings. That is the most important things. And then the machines today can learn from experience, adapt to new inputs, and even perform human like tasks with help from artificial intelligence. So, the crucial topics and trending emerging technology are used in the healthcare also. The healthcare field we are well known about that will be mostly they are uses for the diagnosis and treatment purpose also. So that will be I'll be explain what is the major things will be role in the AI. So can I move to next slide? Yes. So the artificial intelligence can play a significant role in apart from the several sectors like healthcare, agriculture, then e-commerce, then robotics, then transportation, then education, then image recognition, then social media, and then NASA. So the AI will be uses in all the area of that some industries also. Like take example of healthcare, and then agriculture field, then e-commerce. So e-commerce, like take example of commercially what the industries will be happen. So that will automatically recognized by the that AI technologies. So what is the meaning is that will automatically that give some machine learning algorithms, we are giving some inputs, so that will be recognizes as an some giving some inputs, and based upon the inputs it automatically doing some works by the machine. So in future itself also the machines will comes under major role, and then apart from that the human, once the human being done by the task will done by within the minutes or within the seconds by the machines. That will be the major things. So apart from that, robotics, we are all well known about robotics also. We are currently used in several sectors, like industries also, they are using some robots. They can input giving some machine learning algorithms. They use us apart from the human being, they are using in also industries also, like servers, like any related watching some related areas. So like that robotics will be major role in several industries. So that will be also we are known the AI technology also uses. And then transportation, we are well known about now currently in foreign technologies they are uses some transportations like um, in signal based system. So in signals, once who unable to, or who didn't wear the helmet, that will automatically detects and captures by the that camera, that also uses the AI technology. So just based upon object oriented recognition based systems, that will be uses object oriented recognition systems, that also uses in the transportation systems, like signals, like in roadways or in any several areas, like once if you are going to 40 speed only, that area also the cameras will be available. That cameras will be automatically detects by using some AI algorithms. So AI technology will be grooming in several sectors. So like that, apart from the transportation, we are known about. So if the car also that uses AI technology, once the parking systems, if you know the parking systems will also uses that AI technology. So once if the parking will be automatically done by the car itself, so that also it will be emerging technologies used in healthcare also. So apart from the transportations, we are known if you are just arranging the cars, if you are arranging the machines, if you are arranging the bikes, like that, that automatically done by the automated systems using machine learning algorithms. So like that, the AI will be uses several things, that will be we are well known about some several areas. Like education purpose also we are uses some AI technology. We are well known about nowadays the current interview process will be done by the machine itself or the website itself. So it uses also the AI technology. Once the persons will be not available at that particular area also, that uses some interview process, like educating sectors, like if you have done by the courses itself, that also uses some automated systems. That automated systems also uses in the AI algorithms. So there will be more education purpose will be done by itself the particular AI technologies. So education, apart from that, nowadays currently we are well known about the examinations process. The examination process also done by the that uses some algorithms and automatically detects, and automatically it will be captures and sending the marks to the particular area, to the particular the things. Then image recognition. So like that, image recognition. So we are well known about the image processing systems. So image processing systems, that will be more crucial topics on image recognition and image segmentation process. So like that, the image segmentation process also using the artificial intelligence. Like, take example, if you have any diseases in that particular area, that images that will be captured by the radiological equipment, it automatically detects whether the person's having any cancer cells or not. That uses some algorithms, they will be inputting some things about in particular area. Apart from that, social media, we are well known about in social media also that automatic systems will becomes. Once if you are using some related topics or related if you have follow something like that, also the social medias will be using some several areas that automatic systems will be available. So the social medias are currently uses some artificial intelligence application process and done by the some machine learning algorithms. And then uses also NASA. So we are well known about, we are currently uses the NASA industries, and then particularly if you are launching some satellites that uses automated systems also, that uses some cameras that automatically will detects some several areas, it will be uses by the NASA itself, the AI technology will be using. So we are currently using some several applications in the particular artificial intelligence, like healthcare, agriculture process, e-commerce, robotics, transportation, education, image recognition, in social media, and NASA. So apart from that, where we are using in healthcare also. So the healthcare will be role is vital role is a very important. So can you move to next slide? Yes. So first of all, we should know the in AI technology uses um, some programmings. We are all well known about some. We can giving some inputs that automatically detects by the machines. So that time we should know the difference between the artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. So we are known about what is artificial intelligence. So first of all, simulation of human intelligence processed by machines, that is a major things. So that will be processed by the machines that having human intelligence, like the machines will be done the tasks. Then machine learning, the process of teaching machines without explicit programming, that is nothing but it will automatically giving some inputs of some several programmings, the what are the things are doing in previous manner, we are giving some inputs to the particular area. So after that, it automatically recognizes it will be correct or not, that is will be processed by the machine learning algorithms. Apart from that, what is the deep learning is nothing but the machine learning inspired by human brain neurons. So the deep learning will be uses several neural networks. What is that neural networks is nothing but that uses some multi-process will be done by the each and every process will be tasks, multitask will be done by each and every process done by the neural networks. So if we take example of one process will be done that having multiple process will be having, like that only that uses deep learning. So this is the difference between the artificial intelligence, then machine learning, then deep learning. So this is the things about the three differences between AI, ML, and DL. Yes. Can you move to next slide? Yes. So, so now we are going to the introduction of AI in healthcare. So introduction of AI in healthcare. So yes, the introduction and AI in healthcare, what will be doing? So nowadays, most of the surgeries is based on artificial intelligence only. So like that, the AI is going to play a main role to improvement of the treatment process more independently in case of disease diagnosis and medical care assistance. So the AI technologies, apart from that, the surgeons will be do the task done by the machine itself. So how it will be happen. So that will be more crucial things on the automated systems will becomes on by the AI technology. The increasing availability of healthcare data and rapid development of big data analytical methods. So this also very crucial thing. Once I maintaining the records or maintaining the data and be done by the artificial intelligence technology, I giving some inputs already to the particular area. Apart from that, I using for rapid development of big data analytical methods. If you take example, I will be comes after 10 years. So I require some medical records that automatically sends and detect by the particular machine learning algorithms uses AI technology. So nowadays, the several applications are comes under the healthcare. So by the artificial intelligence only. So the AI is used in also used in fitness tracking devices. We are all well known about that monitor heart rates and sleeping patterns and walking activities, then exercise accordingly. So how it will be happen? Nowadays we are wearing some wearable devices like the watches, and then we are well known about the smart t-shirts are coming. So and then also we are users in smart, particularly smart shoes are available. So it automatically detects that particular related exercise like heart rates, sleep patterns, and walking activities like that. It automatically detects how it will be happen. It also uses I giving some algorithms to automatically to the particular patterns based recognizes. I uses some AI technology. Once if the value will be same on the giving inputs, the output will be given. It will be detects whether we have any effect or not. That automatically detects by the that AI technology uses some fitness tracking devices also like wearable devices. So apart from that, we know in future in AI can do all major operations, so including the surgeries itself also. So if nowadays the surgeries will be done by the robotic itself, how it will be happens, like all the things we are going to see in next topics. So what is AI in healthcare? So especially we know this is the crucial things, healthcare research, then disease predictions, then cancer detection, then automatic tasks, then chatbot based doctor, and AI enabled robots assisting surgeons and detection of bacterial blood diseases. So this is a crucial thing about what are the artificial intelligence role in main vital role in the healthcare. So that is all the things we are do in several areas like healthcare research. If you are doing some healthcare research, if the diseases or what type of the diseases will becomes that automatically detects by the AI technology. Then disease predictions. If the disease will be having, for take example, you having the BP or not, it automatically detects once you have giving some inputs. So that based upon some several areas like cancer detection. This is the most important things in radiology sites. The cancer is a very crucial things on like lesions, tumors, like lymph node vessels, like that type of the cancers also. It automatically detects once the patient's having uh, taking the CT scan, MRI scan. But apart from that, once automatic detection will be done by the AI technology will be crucial. The main is the accuracy and the comparative than major scanning methods. The AI will be rolling very crucial things. Nowadays, we are well known about that particular scanning equipments or uses AI technology. That scanning equipments also some several areas they will be using. Severally, take example of automated uh, proton therapy, and then automatically they'll use this in cyberknife cameras like that. That also uses some AI technology, some several areas. So apart from that, automatic tasks will be done in particular areas. Automatic tasks will be done as nothing but, for take example, if you giving some I requires this type of the tablets, you just put it on your disease, that automatically giving the tablets by the machine itself, by the application softwares itself, it will be giving how the artificial intelligence will be uses. So nowadays we are going to medical or hospitals are doing, but in recent the future itself, if you're giving some disease on the particular applications or software basis, it automatically gives the tablets or medicines what type of the illness you affect, it will be giving by the machine itself. So that type of the technologies also it will become by the future. So then chatbot based doctor, already we know. So that type of the things, if you just consider what type of the illness to the particular area, it automatically giving some tablets or giving some ideas or what type of the diagnosis or treatments will be required for you. It automatically giving the solutions by the machine itself. That type of the things also uses in healthcare. So apart from that, AI enabled robots assisting surgeons. Already we well known about the robotic surgery that also uses by the machine itself, then by the surgery, giving some inputs, and they it will be done by the machine itself. Take example of related kidney transplantation. The kidney transplantation is the most crucial thing that will be done by the machine itself, like robotic surgery. So that also we are going to see in next slides. So then detection of bacterial blood diseases. So if we take example of someone having a what type of the diseases it having, that also recognized by the machine. So how we can giving some algorithms we are input to the particular area, that will be automatically detects the bacterial blood diseases. It will be detects by the AI technology. So what kind of the roles that are used in healthcare itself? Yes. So the applications of AI in healthcare. So nowadays we know well known about what are the major role the AI will be used in the healthcare. So nowadays we are know this is the major things: the diagnosis of the diseases. The second one, medical image diagnosis. Apart from that, drug discovery. So this is the most crucial thing on pharmaceuticals area. The pharmaceuticals areas are also considered on the particular drug discovery. Apart from that, personalized medicine. Personalized medicine also uses several areas that will be uses in terms under particular things. So apart from that, electronic health records, it will be uses in several areas, like health records maintaining is done by the AI technology. So apart from that, clinical trials, once we have done by the clinical process by the particular, once I want to giving some drugs or any dosages or any vaccines I will be giving, that will automatically uh, training by the clinical trials by the machine itself it will uses. So apart from that, outbreak prediction. So what type of the predictions will be requires, that will be uses. So we are not only using for the diagnosis purpose, also in future the treatment purpose also, that will becomes a major role of the AI in healthcare. So this is the major applications they are used in healthcare. Yes, the disease diagnosis or identification. What type of the role will be done by the AI? So you are well known about the computer algorithms to detect diseases easily based upon the systems to be answering on the chatbot. So the chatbot will be major role in healthcare also. So it will be detects by the symptoms what type of the requirements of the treatments we have required, that will be given by the answer or solution by the chatbot itself. So that type of the AI technology, there will be emerging trends, it will be comes on healthcare. So AI can diagnose the heart disease and lung cancer more accurately. So if you are done by the major scanning equipments uses MRI, PET, SPECT, we are using to diagnosing the heart related disease and lung related issues. But if you're using the AI technology, it automatically detects what type of the lung disease you acquired, what type of the heart related issues will be affected, done by the machine itself. So it will be recognized by the machine itself, uses in the healthcare also. So apart from that, we are well known about the pathology is the medical specialty that will be considered with the diagnosis of disease based on the laboratory analysis. So what type of the diseases will be having or not, that the pathology departments also consider major role the in healthcare uses the artificial intelligence, such as laboratory analysis such as blood, urine and tissues. So if you want testing, what type of the blood test, if you're taking the blood test, nowadays we are using um, what type of the A positive or B positive, like that. It also giving some major inputs by the machine itself, what kind of the blood type you have, or what type of the blood you requires, or which type of donors will be setting for you, that also recognized by the machine itself. So this is a major role, such as urine and tissue related diseases we have to diagnose with the help of the pathological area. So apart from that, I just show the picture. So this is the AA in healthcare. So what kind of the roles will be done by the AA? So that artificial intelligence detecting lung cancer from CT scans. So I giving some inputs or giving some algorithms by prediction manner, that will be recognized whether you have detecting lung cancer or not. So apart from that lung cancer, it uses in the cardiac health monitoring from electrocardiograms. So we are well known about the ECG will be detects some electrical activity of our heart. But apart from that ECG, nowadays we well known about the central monitoring systems are available in the healthcare. The central monitoring system in healthcare is a crucial things for monitoring all the patients in single particular area. The central monitoring systems having 5 to 6 patients monitoring systems will be available. So that central monitoring system captures all the data of the patients. That will also done by the machine learning algorithms using AI technology. So then classify skin lesions from images of the skin. If I just taking the images of my skin, it also whether we have any lesions or not. That lesions will be what type of the lesions it will be acquiring, that also uses by the AI. Like we are well known about the face recognition based systems that automatically detects who you are and which persons by the AI technology only. So that also the lesion, if you are having the skin lesions, it automatically captures and detects. Apart from that, that identify retinopathy from eye images. This is a most crucial thing in ophthalmological area. So in ophthalmological area, we are well known about how the particular uh, we are done by the diagnosis treatments for the ophthalmology, but using the AI in also uses in the ophthalmology. That ophthalmology uses some identifying. If I just scanning your eye, it automatically detects whether you have any retinopathy or not. So retinopathy, it will directly affects the retina. So this type of the major role, vital applications will be done by the AI. So the retinopathy is nothing but if you have the retinal blood pressure will be higher, or retinal blood pressures will be more crucial things. So it will be affects by the BP. So the BP will be more crucial thing. It also affects the retina in our eye. The retina also affects. So that kind of the retinopathy also I want to treat it by the eye images. So this is the AI for Alzheimer's disease detection. So this is nothing but you have to see the Alzheimer's. You are well known about the major things in brain related disorders. So it will be causes some several memory losses like that. So the Alzheimer's detection also using some imaging equipments that are having some brain image. To take example of that is a brain image that uses image segmentation. Image segmentations will be segments normal brain versus your brain, that will automatically captures and extract by the future extraction process. So that will be major area in the Alzheimer's disease detection. So and then image identification with AI techniques, it will be captures what type of tumors will be having, what type of the tumors will be having, also it will be captures and done, and it will be identified you have Alzheimer's disease or not, because the Alzheimer's disease is the formations by some several the backside having any related pains or related pains will be comes, how the pains will be recognized by the machine. So that uses the AI. So this is the major things using some image identification and recognition based images and using the Alzheimer's detection. So I giving some inputs to the particular brain image concepts, it automatically detects what type of the illness will be comes, whether you have Alzheimer's or whether you have brain cancers. So that type of the segmentation process will be done by the AI technology. So this is one basic example of the diagnosis in AI. So yes, the personalized treatment or behavioral modification. We are well known about the personalized medicine or more effective treatment based on individual health data paired with predictive analysis. If I giving some disease, it automatically analyzed by the patients. So by the particular machines, then microbiosensors and devices with more sophisticated health measurements using AI technology. So and then the and remote monitoring capabilities will provide another data. So remote monitoring based systems using AI. So that can be used to help to facilitate R&D and treatment efficacy. If you're going to the research and development, the particular diagnosis purpose in particular treatments that also uses the AI technology. Apart from that, this type of the personalized treatment has important implications for individuals in terms of health optimization and also for reducing overall healthcare cost. That is the most important points we noted down. So the overall healthcare cost we can giving to the done by the humans will be done by the machine itself. The cost wise also it will be lesser, and that apart from that that uses the technology only. So that will be uses in several area like personalized treatment. So and then we are know the personalized treatment how it will be done. So take example, once behavioral modifications I will be recognized by the machine, how it will be happen. You have to see the particular area, the data collection. It will just collects the data what type of a behavior you have. Then it will be having positionalized data, the data analyzed by the machine itself. First of all, I taking some inputs and giving by the behavioral analysis using AI. So you have to see the boundary estimation of motion of elements. That type of the motion will be having you have or not, that will be recognized by the machine. Then the standard operation pattern determination. What kind of the pattern determinations also it will be detects whether you have the modification of the behavior or not. Then detection of non-standard behavior. If you giving some inputs by the persons, yes, I have the behavior model, this is, but if the behavior model will be not suitable for the another person, that will automatically detects whether you have the particular modification identification will be done by the machine itself. So this kind of the things also using behavioral modification. Then the results will be shows procedure differences that uses saying like unnecessary movements. We have to see in the last pick, it will automatically detects whether you have done by the movements or not. So take example, if I want to using the AI in door locking systems, the door locking systems having, before we are using some face based recognition and then just touching the sensors in using the things, but nowadays it will be having some movements will be happen. We are well known about, if you do some emojis or actions, that will be captured by the machine whether you have by the door persons or not. That type of the things also we are uses in modifications. Results that will be easily results will be feedbacks will be going, we have you you will be done or not, that type of the things. Then this is the major important topics on healthcare. So that uses robotic surgery. We are well known about the Da Vinci robot surgical system holding a camera, and it has gotten the bulk of attention in the robotic surgery space. So that uses by uses AI based systems only that improve surgeons and patients experience also, that will be both helpful for the doctors and then patients also. While robotic surgery is considered minimally invasive surgery, generally safe and more precision. accuracy and flexibility comparing than manual surgery. So the robotic surgery will be done by the surgery will be done by the robots. How it will be happen? The Da Vinci robots, that will be introductions about robotic surgery. So Da Vinci robotic surgical systems will be crucial topics in healthcare itself. So nowadays the multi-specialties hospitals and the national based hospitals using the robotic surgery. That process will be done by the machine itself that uses only one operator. So I will show you the picture. The machine has 4 arms which are freely moving and regular than a human operating, and high definition display for showing surgeons how the x-ray will be done during the procedures, that also using in the robotic surgery. So the main thing is, the major point is, if you are using the robotic surgery, what type of the advantages? That is main thing is minimally invasive surgery. Then generally it will be safe and more precision and accuracy and flexibility comparing than manual. That is the major points used in robotics. So what is that robotic surgery that particularly will be done? Just we have to shown in the picture. This surgery benefits includes less blood loss. That is a very important point. Apart from that accuracy and timing, the major thing is less blood loss and quicker recovery comparing than manual surgery. So the sensitive, it will be more higher than the particular Da Vinci robotic systems done by the robotic surgeries. So the robotic surgery can be used to treat conditions affecting like your heart, especially coronary heart bypass surgery. We are well known about that will be very sensitive element during the operations. The coronary artery bypass is a major role in healthcare will be done by the robotic surgery. So how the robots will be done the surgery, including very sensitive element in our artery line in our heart. So like valve disease or any blockages, it will be done by the robotic surgery. Then digestive system, bladder, prostate cancer and kidney transplantations also we are using the robotic surgery. We have to see this particular element, the computer console and then camera view. One operators are sitting in this center point of view, and then that particular operator just it will be done by the just can moving with the help of the joysticks and then using some elements of using IR technology. So infrared based technology they uses in robotic surgeries. So apart from that, using camera view and high definition 3D cameras also available to showing how the task will be done in this particular area. And then the surgical with the help of the robotic hands and then with the help of the nurse, it will be done by the surgery by the robots itself. That is the most crucial thing in healthcare. So robotic surgery will be more crucial area in healthcare domain. So then the particular drug discovery or manufacturing, we have to know the drug discovery or manufacturing by the AI itself in pharmaceuticals, that will be more crucial. The applications of AI are numerous with the potential to transform key aspects of the industry such as drug discovery. So drug discovery, what is that particular era in pharmaceutical? So I want to developing some drugs with the help of some using AI technology that will be recognized by the diseases. Some diseases also, I take some diseases, this drugs will be suitable or not done by the machine itself. That will also the artificial intelligence will be more crucial area. The success of AI in drug discovery is largely due to deep learning algorithms. The several neural networks are uses and some several deep learning methods are uses. So the one main thing is many of the top pharmaceutical companies have only relatively recently made seriously efforts to apply AI to drug discovery. So drug discovery is not an easy thing in pharmaceuticals. So that will be improving the quality and improving the efficacy by the AI techniques and AI based systems. The top pharmaceuticals industries like AbbVie, IBM's own health applications. This is the top industries in the pharmaceuticals that also has some initiatives in drug discovery since its early days. So nowadays the pharmaceuticals are enter into the healthcare domain using AI technology like drug discovery, manufacturing systems. So apart from that drug discovery, you have to see what are the advantages. It will be improve drug safety and reduce risks. That is the major thing we are used in the healthcare. So and then monitor drug manufacturing process in real time. So in real time, I will be during the drug development process that will be recognized by the machine itself. So apart from that, it will be determine drug efficacy. It will be drug efficacy also uses. So the drug determines what type of the efficient treatments or efficient power of the dosages done by the drugs. So that will be more crucial things in drug manufacturing. So in also clinical trial research. So the clinical trial research, what it will be done means the artificial intelligence in helping shape and direct clinical trial research. Once, for take example, if I want to giving the vaccines to the people, firstly I just giving some research, clinical trial research done by the people. But nowadays the AI technology using whether you have using the vaccines or the drugs will be danger or not, it also recognized by the machine itself. How means we can already giving some input algorithms done by the patients. So that type of the algorithms also I will be recognized by the machine itself. The AI can also be used for remote monitoring and real-time data access for increased safety. So that will be more crucial thing, remote monitoring purpose and real-time data access for increased safety of the drugs. Then, for example, monitoring biological and other signals for any sign of harm or death to participants. So I want to monitoring the biological area like in depth of the tissue level or the other signal patterns of vital parameters. That also uses the clinical trial research done by the AI technology. So this is the most crucial area of the healthcare domain. So apart from that, clinical trial research, I'll be uses in treatment design also. What kind of the treatment designs will be done in this particular area? We have to know the artificial intelligence systems have been created to analyze data, notes, and reports from a patient file. Take example of external research itself, it will be uses the treatment design. So once the patients requires this type of the treatment or not, it also recognized by the machine learning algorithms. Then and clinical expertise to help to select the correct individually customized treatment path. So that type of the whether the patients will be required treatment or not, also it will be using the AI. Apart from that, to assign the patient to the doctors based on the disease and availability of the doctors, also it will be uses. Already we will know about the chatbot in healthcare. So if I want to approach or I want to giving some admission to a particular hospitals or any related doctors, I want to just giving some appointment purpose also using the treatment design purpose to assign the patients to the doctors, whether the doctors will be availability or not, checking by the AI algorithms. Apart from that, it can maintain all the records of the patients and conditions also. So what type of the role will be done by the AI? If I want to data transmission process and then the data storage, that will be very, very important. If I do the records, then after we have to enter into the data, it automatically recognizes that will be suitable or not. So that type of the record maintaining purpose also in healthcare domain, it will be uses the AI technology. So treatment design is a most crucial things. So whether we have the patients requires this type of the treatment or not will be done by the artificial intelligence. So how the human tasks will be done? How the human task will be done by the machine also it will be doing. So that type of the algorithms we are using. So majorly we well known about the machine learning and deep learning is one type of the artificial intelligence that is under the sector of the artificial intelligence. So the ML and DL will be more crucial in healthcare domain to previously treating some diseases apart from the diagnosis purpose also. So apart from that, I using treatment design, what type of the benefits of AI in healthcare? If I using the AI, what type of the benefits I require in healthcare domain? We have to see high quality of patient lives, high quality of patients lives, and high accuracy of treatment purpose also. High accuracy of treatment purpose, and then reduced cost wise. So once it will be using by the machine itself, it also the reduced cost, and then time efficacy will be more higher comparing than others, and then higher employee engagement with patients, that will also using by the AI. Then streamlined workflows, then high employee efficiency, decreased labor demand. If I using the AI, it also decrease labor demand. So what type of the things are using in the AI? Then a reduced workload and enhance the protection against the cyber crimes. So if I do some several tasks will be done by the artificial intelligence, and then beneficiency of using AI in healthcare. So this is a major area we are using in healthcare domains. So apart from that, I also, if what type of the conclusions I'll be giving by the artificial intelligence in healthcare is the healthcare sector is one of them. Then AI is going to play a main role to improve the treatment process also. It will be improved. The treatment process will be done by the machine itself. It will be patients efficacy and doctors point of view, that will be more helpful and easily treatable conditions by the machine learning algorithms using AI. It more independently and with better results in terms of disease diagnosis and medical care assistance, that will be more helpful to diagnosing some related medical care assistance using the AI. The future of healthcare is completely on artificial intelligence. We are well known about nowadays the surgery is also done by the machine itself. How the future emerging trends will becomes in the AI. So nowadays we are doing some projects related on healthcare domains using AI. So the major thing is the AI will be not only trending on IT sectors or IT industry like this. Take example of automotive industry to agriculture to e-commerce to like education sectors and entertainment sectors, then transportation sectors, then the last and major crucial area and the healthcare also using the artificial intelligence. So this type of the things are done by the that AI technology. So artificial intelligence will be more crucial topics on in after 20 years to 30 years itself. It will be going under by the mission itself, then by the task itself by the mission. That type of the technologies that will be done by the mission itself. So this is the major things about the particular of the topics of the AI. So thank you so much. So I am just giving one video about the robotic surgery, how it will be done by the particular robotics. So just can wait and I can share that video. So how the particular robotic surgeries will be done by the machines, I'll be show you. So 1 second. Says I'll be show that PPT in that particular robotic surgery, how it will be done. We can see that particular videos. 1 second. Okay, thank you so much. This is the topics related on AI in healthcare. So okay, the video will be not supported on the PDF format. So I'll be showing next session or the next seminars. We show you.
Thank you, Mr. Muhammad Sahil, for your wonderful webinar. Participant, if you have any queries, kindly ask or otherwise put it in the chat box. Participant, kindly fill the Google form and in the chat box, and you will get a certificate. Thank you for once again joining with us. Tomorrow we'll also have a webinar program on topic trends and innovation in medical equipment.